So there's a few big signs that it's time to upgrade your bookkeeping solution. First would be that your current solution just can't keep up with your growing business or portfolio. I see a lot of investors who start out doing their books in like an Excel spreadsheet, and that can be really good in the beginning if you only have one or two properties. But as your portfolio grows and your business becomes more of a business, it's pretty much impossible to keep your books done in a spreadsheet. I haven't seen anyone who's done it completely accurately that way. So when you start to feel like you're spending, so much time trying to get that spreadsheet right, or maybe you are using a software, but you're not using like a bookkeeping specific software, then that's a sign that it's time to upgrade your bookkeeping solution. Another big telltale sign that your bookkeeping process or solution needs a bit of an update is if tax season is still really stressful. If your bookkeeping is up to date and accurate every month, then tax season should be really easy. And if you find that's not the case, then it might be time to take a look at what you're doing and how it can be improved from a bookkeeping perspective. Another sign that you might need to improve your bookkeeping process is if you need to run a certain report for a lender or a potential partner on a project, and you find it very difficult or overwhelming to be able to run a report in the way that you need it. Maybe you need to slice and dice information a certain way for whatever party you're giving the report to. That should be really easy. When we use QuickBooks Online for all of our clients, we are able to generate reports quickly when clients request them in kind of whatever format that they need it. Another sign that it might be time to upgrade your bookkeeping solution is if you have lack of clarity on how an individual property is performing. You should be tracking all of your transactions by property so that you know exactly how each of your investments is performing, so that if there's any trouble properties, you can identify that quickly and quickly address any issues that you might be facing.